Right, we've arrived at Paul's house. We're going to go and see the R5 Turbo. And look at Paul's van as well. These new alloys. Whee! Roof bars. Is anybody in?
And then look at that gift in front of you. What you don't knock them things on the
Oh,
floor.
Paul.
Alright.
Been working hard, I see.
Yeah, been assembling. Number 5. Not disassembling number 5.
Johnny 5 is alive.
Come here. Come and have a look at this one. See, it's on the back. Hello. Gran Turismo. GT Turbo. Grand Touring. The size of its pipe, man.
GT, get tiny.
It's got. Oh, is that I underneath to get it there?
Just once the cam loosened off and just twist it just a little.
Right, and so R5 Turbo. We're back again in Paul's garage. So I'll let him, Paul, give us a rundown.
Well, since the last time you were here, got a few more bits put on. So we've got some carpets in now. Center console back in as well. All the switches and everything. Handbrake. I don't think the handbrake was in.
No,
The seat belt buckles. All of the trims around the door pillars. Actually,
all the trims around the front as well.
yeah.
There's a screen, wasn't there?
No. So we've got a screen now. We've got the back seats. The driver's seat's gonna get some work done on it. One of the bolsters on the driver's side seats has collapsed, but the actual material itself is really in good condition, so it just needs a sponge or the foam repair. But we've got the driver's side door fitted now, but then all the panel on, the door card and everything, all working. So it just shuts nice. New door pins as well, because the door pins were worn. So the door used to drop, and they actually caught the plastic side skirt and wore the side skirt away, and the door was that bad.
Oh.
So they've actually moved the striker. They've moved that down.
Just so it
So they
catches
were
the door.
there. So that, I had to move that back up once the door pin was back in. We've got a bonnet. Got a bonnet on now. It's got the wings.
Fresh.
I think the wings weren't on either, were
No,
they?
the wings on. I don't think arch trims are on. I think
Aye.
the wings were.
The arches weren't on.
So they've got the body kit painted about a week ago. So I've flat and polished the wheel arches and fitted the wheel arches. I wasn't happy with a couple of bits on the bumper and the side skirts, so I'm going to do the side skirts again.
You were seeing on the bumper.
There was some sort of silicon reactions or something on there. So I'm going to sand that back down and do the middle section of the front bumper again and hide it in where the tonneau goes. And there's a cover goes on that side as well. I don't know what the cover is.
Yeah.
There's a cover in here. Oh,
Aye, that's the one that goes over.
aye.
But I don't know if it's oh, it covers another tonneau.
Is it that one in there?
Yeah, that's the cover. Moving to the back, we've got brand spanking new backlights. The old ones, that one had a crack in there, and this light on this side was damaged at the bottom where this plastic trim is held on. We've got this fitted now, the bottom of the tailgate with the badges on, and the bumper as well.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the bumper on when I fitted the exhaust, so I need to tweak the exhaust.
Yeah.
just so that comes back
Get the
into the middle. I just need to loosen the clamp off on the exhaust just to roll around a little bit.
Yeah.
You got the grill painted, haven't you, as well?
Aye.
You didn't have to repair it on the back, though, did you?
I've had to repair the bottom. There must be a common fault on them, so you can get these bits here. And they're like,
oh, right, I see what you mean.
This bottom piece
Just loose.
comes away, yeah. So you can get these repair panels for them.
Got it.
And I don't know what someone had painted the grill the last time. I don't know if it was a new grill and that someone had painted it, but when I was trying to sand it down, the paint was just rolling off on the sandpaper. So I had to take all the grill back down to the bare black plastic underneath and start again. So it was, I don't know if...
What did you say, the paint was rolling off on the sandpaper?
Aye, when I was trying to sand this down.
Sam's Mini's doing that on the doors.
Really?
Aye. And it's done it a lot on the roof as well.
Aye.
It doesn't blend out. It starts to just roll off.
This was doing exactly the same. There was like stone chips in the grill, and they were like trying to sand it down, and it was just
back in there for you.
It was just rolling off the paint.
I was going to ring you yesterday night to say this paint's doing something funny as I'm sanding it down on the doors.
Aye.
That's exactly what it's doing.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's you sell it cellulose paint right over the top of something else.
Like that, aye. Or rattle can maybe. So.
Aye. It's done it in a few places on Sam's Mini.
So move on.
Probably put a prep previously.
Fit of the petrol cap as well. The new bolts in. That's the old ones. Had to grind the nuts off the back because they were that rotten.
What else do you think it should have?
The filler neck. And that tank, I don't know, you put some footage of that before, didn't you?
No, that tank wasn't on. I got footage of the brakes.
Alright.
Good.
So, yeah, I think probably another couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And it'll, I reckon this week coming, I'll get the side skirts painted and the front bumper and get them put on. Because I've got Dave, the owner of the car, has bought the rivets that replace these nail heads. So I obviously need probably another 3 on this part of the sill what was replaced. Yeah. So I'll get them put on. Also, I'll show you these bits what I've gotten as well off the customer. So them's the clips what hold the side skirts on.
Oh
I don't know if you can see.
Yeah.
So them hang on the nail heads. And the rivets are in here somewhere as well. No, they're in there somewhere. But there's like there's a little bag of rivets as well to go with them. But are for replacing the nail heads if you've lost the nail heads off. So I've told Davey to get a battery and some new tyres for the wheels.
Are the wheels gold?
No, they're just silver.
Silver.
Aye. So the wheels is just in silver. I think he's going to get the sticker kit for it as well.
That was the next thing I was going to ask. So when's the graphics kit going on?
The graphics kit actually goes on before the wheel arches, you know. So when I took this wheel arch off here, behind it there was remnants of the sticker. I don't know if you can see it on one of the.
So we're going to definitely record the first start.
Yeah.
How long's it been painted for?
20th of December.
20th of December. Oh, it's plenty of time then.
So
for the graphics, you can put them on now, can't you?
Yeah.
So it was painted on the 20th of December. The shell was painted on the 20th of December, and then everything else has followed on, like the wings and the bonnet, the bumpers, the side skirts, and the wheel arches and everything's all followed on from then. So I've got left like the caliper carriers, but them still on the old brakes in that box there. So as you can see, I've put fitted the flexi pipe on this side, and the caliper is there, but I need the caliper carrier.
Have you painted the caliper carrier?
No, they still need to be painted.
I thought I was going to walk in and see the graphics all on. I think, he's leaving that. Just wanted to see the graphics on.
Is the French?
I was thinking we're going to wander in and it's on.
It's in French, the piece de resistance.
Well, Paul, I think you've done a smashing job, as per usual. It'll not be long before this little beast is back on the road. And I just can't wait to hear it roar up and
double away. See the turbo
still sneezing out the turbo.
Finally. Seen a fancy new bit. Bent up last night and tacked it into place. I think I'll get down here so I can see it on the camera. Right, I'm just gonna dress this edge upwards so it's all nice and flat where the two panels meet, and then tack it right along. Then I'm just gonna measure from there to there, straighten the top off, and then lock the bit off, clean the welds down, and then I'll attack it with some rust bullet all over the place. Eddie's got the new door skin, or he picked it up today from a machine down Darlington, so he's got that on the car, or in the car. He says he's dropping it off later on. If he does, great. I might get the chance to try putting it on. I doubt it. So I'll just dress this up. Let's get me hammer. Just tap them flat so they're flush, give it a little tack weld there and just move along doing that. That's that one bit done. Gonna get wrong off Taylor Swift with copyright here. Right, on a steady, last bit of prep. I'm not over prepping it or overworking the material or whatever you want to call it. It was a bit bumpy. It went a bit like that in places, up and down, up and down. So I've done a bit of bodge, and this was a bit like lumpy as well. So I've just straightened it out because you can't see it. Well, you're not going to see the underneath of the door, but it's over and above over and above what like ordinary what do you call it, restorers do. So that's what we're about. The little things that matter, like that, nice and straight. Be beautiful. One last look. I'm down for me bath and a beer. Catch you later, guys. If you like what we're doing, give us one of them thumbs up, subscribe on our socials and things. We'll try and put a link up there. See if Eddie can put a link there below my finger. Right. Catch you later.